eXtremerate has done it again. Have you ever wanted to change the color of your PS5's DualSense Edge Pro controller? What is going on, you wonderful people? I'm Brandon, and welcome to CraytonTv. In today's video, we're going to talk about the PS5 DualSense Edge Pro controller and how you can change the colors with this simple, easy, do-it-yourself mod. And I'm going to teach you how to install that in today's video. Let's hop into it.
Well, got the package. Let's check out what we got from eXtremerate. Disclaimer, no, this video is not being sponsored at all. eXtremerate is not sponsoring this video, but they did reach out and send out the product. So let's check out what we have in the box. So the first box, it's nice that they upgraded their packaging. On our first box, we have a transparent back piece. You get your little latch cape part right here inside, and you get a front piece if you want to do that. Got a solid gray, nice color right here with the front piece. They also sent out, this is a nice little case. Oh, the back paddles, nice color, nice little silver. We also got thumbsticks for the PS5 DualSense Edge Pro controller. So nice like that in that color. And this mod here is simple and easy that you can do. So here we go right here with the PS5 DualSense Pro controller. And we're going to be replacing the front plate, the back plate, and the paddles. You can also change out the latch here if you want to match a color and vibe, but I'm just going to leave mine black for now. So let's go with a nice color and thing. Let's see. We got dark gray or transparent. Good thing that they gave me multiple so I can just always swap it out. I'll show you both. Here you go. So first things first, take everything out your packaging, make sure that you got it. What you get in the packaging is the back piece, front, and then here is the little latch that you can swap out and everything if you want to, but I'm not going to do that. You're also going to need your prying tool. It comes in a box, transparent one. Here's the front. And it's nice that you can mix and match colors to your liking. They do have tons of colors available that you can do on eXtremerate website. So I'll leave a link to that down in the description box down below if you want to check it out. Use code CraytonTv to save yourself 10% at checkout. So first things first, it'll be a PS5 Pro controller. A little latch here, release, slide that to the left. Once you do that, faceplate comes off. The little latches that hold the thumbsticks in, want to pry those up. Remove your modules for your thumbsticks. Flip your controller over. Remove your paddles from the back if you are using paddles, something like that. Now you're going to take your prying tool and start from the front and work your way to the back. But be careful that you don't poke yourself. Right along here, there's a little gap in between. There's a line. You're going to follow that all the way around. Pop out the little latches in between because there's like latches in between. If you see here, there's latches in between. So just follow that all the way around as such. So I get ready to pop it off. There are two bottom ones that's down here at the bottom. It gives you the access to do that, so you can set it aside. So this is what you should have of your controller. Let's start off with translucent, show you both. So the way you place it back in is you're going to take the controller, and right here there is two little spots, and they go right here. So start at the bottom first and work your way around, and then you press up. Snap it in. And it's good that you can swap out colors, make your own, customize whatever you want it. So once it all snaps in, shouldn't have no gaps. You'll flip it back over to the front. You wanted to swap out the thumbsticks, you can do that yourself. With these modules and stuff like this, these just pop out. May seem like you're going to break it, but not. But see how it is. They just pop out. But I like the black because I want to keep the aesthetic of the controller. Do it. They just slide back in, lock the plate, take your front, insert it back into their slots. Now you can take your paddles. There's silver back paddles. You can change it. This is what the translucent looks. So far, I like it. Like what it looks like. You tell me in the comment section down below. think about this color, you know, you can do any color. It doesn't really matter. You can have a mismatch if you want to. Let me know. Mismatch colors. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Whatever your preference is. But that is the translucent. Now, let me show you what it looks like doing the dark gray. And it's still the same steps. You use your prying tool, pry around. But yes, there is more colors on eXtremerate website. Link will be down in the description box down below. Use code CraytonTv to save yourself 10% at checkout. You can also purchase these from Amazon. So I'll leave an Amazon affiliated link down below. So if you do use my link, I do get a little kickback that helps out the channel. A little commission. Line them up the same way. Now here's the gray. Looks pretty clean. Nice settle. Change it. The back plate with the paddles. You can do whatever your preference is. Or, you know, you want to put them back. You want to have a theme going, you got a theme going, whatever you know, your preference you want to do. So nice, simple, easy mod that you can do. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below.
Well, so here it is, the custom itself, PS5 DualSense Edge Pro Controller. Swapped out the colors, and let me know what you think about it. There's plenty of colors on eXtremerate's website. So if you want to go check out their website, I'll leave a link to it down in the description box down below. Use code CraytonTv to save yourself 10% at checkout. You can also get these off Amazon. So I'll also leave an Amazon affiliated link down in the description box down below. If you do purchase through my link, it does help out me and the channel to give a little commission feedback. That being said, let me know what you think right here of the PS5 DualSense Edge Pro controllers. Custom, simple, do-it-yourself, easy mod that you can do yourself. Takes no little than 5 to 10 minutes. Pull off the back paddle. Make sure you pull out your thumbsticks, if your paddles in the back, if you're doing that, so you can get off the back plate. Pop out your thumbsticks. You can also switch out the thumbstick colors as you've seen in the unboxing. And you can swap out the whole color for any color that you want to, but that takes more work into it. So I just wanted to keep it simple and everything else. But if you ever just wanted to swap out, you know, 2 simple colors, change your paddles in the back, hey, try out this simple, easy mod. But let me know if you did enjoy this video. Like this video, subscribe if you are new. Really simple, easy custom mod. You can watch this video here. I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching, and God bless. Peace.